Welcome to New Choice. In this video, I am including names of 50 birds in Malayalam and English. Crow, Kaka, Sparrow, Kuruvi, Parrot, Tatta, Peacock, Mayil, Eagle, Karugan, Owl, Moonga, Pigeon, Pravu, Duck, Taravu, Hen, Pidakoli, Rooster, Puvankoli, Swan, Arayanam, Woodpecker, Maramkotti, Kingfisher, Meenkotti, Crane, Cock, Flamingo, Flamingo, Falcon, Parundu, Kite, Parundu, Cuckoo, Kuyil, Turkey, Turkey, Ostrich, Ottagapakshi, Penguin, Penguin, Seagull, Kadalkaka, Pelican, Pelican, Canary, Canary, Nightingale, Nightingale, Robin, Robin, Dove, Pravu, Lark, Lark, Hawk, Parundu, Vulture, Karugan, Heron, Cock, Stork, Stork, Quail, Kada, Partridge, Partridge, Magpie, Magpie, Blue Jay, Blue Jay, Hummingbird, Hummingbird, Finch, Finch, Starling, Starling, Blackbird, Blackbird, Sandpiper, Sandpiper, Bittern, Bittern, Bulbul, Bulbul, Quail, Quail, Weaver Bird, Tookanankuruvi, Maina, Maina, Dronco, Karinkuruvi, Hoopoe, Hoopoe, Swift, Swift, Albatross, Albatross,